Hey Daisy, put your hand inside.
Oh, wow, cheese and pork! Yay! I know what to cook. Cheese. Pork. Pepper. Salt.
오늘의 일기.
Hello, would you like to have some fun?
Hey, I need more ingredients.
Okay Daisy, come on.
I choose both. Takis. Cheetos. Egg. Cooking oil.
오늘의 일기.
So great. Tastes great. I love it. Stop arguing and come eat.
Let's go! Yeah!